Welcome to Airmood's vlog in Dublin, Ireland. I arrived late at night, so I went to Jacob's Inn and dropped off my items and took a quick walk around the area. And I always like to start with a walking tour of a city.
It says Irish men and Irish women. You know, that isn't unusually a egalitarian thing for the early 20th century. It's like a We're really heading into Viking and medieval Dublin now. I want to explain all about that when we get round to the castle gardens. Like nobody here would ever say exactly like that. Yeah. So there are semi-regular sightings of this cathedral. We're going to go around there short. The idea that a place called St Patrick's Cathedral in Dublin, the Holy Catholic Ireland. I think one of the ideas that would be anything other than a Catholic church is bizarre. There's a simple explanation. It's on the same thing. This guy, this Norman knight who's been lying there since the 13th century, is at the end of your feet.
Oh yeah.
A motive thing for Irish people here in 1916. So look.
I like this street. Traditional seafood chowder and Irish beef stew. Second day in Dublin, this cute cozy coffee shop for breakfast, a full Irish breakfast. We're at the Guinness storehouse and we bought an afternoon ticket. It's around 26 euros and it's a very hot day.
And we walked very far.
Yeah, very far from the center. 40 minutes or so. Little Guinness horse carriages. It's very hard.
During the backing and hollowing operations, the stave is held in a jig called a horse or mare, which is an iron frame with a foot-operated spring clamp.
On top of the Guinness, you see a free rooftop view, 360 degrees for free with your price of the tickets. It's very nice.
And that's the end of my Dublin adventure. And next stop, I'm heading back to Toronto to see Adam and my dog.